Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Robux to another account without using a group. Alright, so let's begin with the video. What you need for this method to work is sign into the account that's going to receive the Robux. If your friend is doing this, just send them this video and tell them to do this. First, go to the Create tab at the Roblox website after signing into the account that's going to be receiving the Robux. Here, click on Creations tab. Now go to your experience. Here, go into the Passes tab after clicking Create and add a pass. Here, you have to create a pass. You can name it whatever you want. Just find a random image, name, and description. After creating a pass, click on your pass and Heen. In here, go to the Sales tab and make sure you tick this box to make the item available for sale. Here, set the amount of your pass. You are only going to receive 70% of the Robux transferred. This is the only method to transfer Robux to another account without a group, so you need to just get around this and transfer the Robux with this tax. Set the amount of Robux you want to receive by looking at the number, and after you are satisfied, save the item for sale and update the price. Now, the account receiving Robux has to share this pass with the account that's going to be buying it, so go back to your associated items. In here, you can see all the passes you created, and all you have to do is click on these three dots at the top right corner of the item you're using to receive the Robux and select Copy URL from the drop-down menu. Now you can share this URL, and the account that's going to be giving the Robux just has to go to this URL and buy the item. So that's basically how you can transfer Robux to another account without using a group. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.